It's okay.
No, it's okay. No,
Mama's gonna help you get down the go down the sidewalk again.
You're driving around with Elmo. He's helping you.
No, she just doesn't really know how yet. I'm gonna take her to the park where she can just kind of go wherever she wants. Here, hold it for a minute. I'm gonna turn it around. Hang on. You want to back it up, or you want to turn it around?
Well, she is a Cantwell sister, so I'm probably not a good driver.
Yeah, I think Elmo can drive.
Woo! Look at you, kiddo. There you go.
Okay, back up now.
Too cold out here for me.
Stay in there a minute. Stay in there a minute. Good, and back up. Okay.